Hey everyone, it's Sonia from Just Women's Business, and today I want to share about something that happened earlier in the week when WhatsApp, Facebook, and Instagram went down for a few hours. In saying that, if that's your only platform for getting information to your clients or your marketing platform, you probably would have found that your hands are a bit tied. You couldn't access your platform, you couldn't go and share anything, so you're pretty well stumped. So I'm going to show you what I call is taking social media to your advantage and getting your clients and followers to take one more step. So I'll X myself out and we'll get on with the tutorial. So when I've got like quite a few different platforms, like I've got Facebook, Instagram, I've got Pinterest, I've got YouTube, I have an email list and I have a website. But in saying that, I don't load all these sites with content all the time because honestly, you wouldn't be able to keep up the pace to keep all the content together. But what I'm saying is when you do post something on one of these social sites, ask your followers to take one more step. And so you can always, if you're doing a tutorial, ask them to watch the whole tutorial on YouTube. If you're doing a teaching post, ask them to sign up to your email list to get the full course, or go to your website and sign up for your freebie. So and as an example, I popped up an Instagram post with 5 slides, and at the last one, I always have my call to action, which I say, if you want to know more, pop onto the link in my bio. So I'm asking them to take just that one more step. Now I have a freebie Canva course, and if I'm sharing like things that you can learn in the course, on the last slide I'll go link in the bio. It'll send them straight to the course, and in the course they have an option to also sign up to my email list, and they sign up for the course. Now sometimes I do like video tutorials, and I don't show the whole tutorial on Instagram, because the screen is so little. So I always say to watch the tutorial, pop onto my YouTube channel with the link in my bio. And then I usually say, while you're there, would you like and subscribe to my channel and like the video? Then I ask them to take one more step. And then after watching the video, below the video is an option to write your blurb about what you've just shared on the video, but I also have links to other freebie opt-ins. So it might be to sign up for a Canva L-Platers course, to get a free Canva Pro account for 30 days. It might be to pop onto the website and read a blog post that was relevant to the video. It might be to get free templates. So it's just sort of another way of getting them onto your email list. And your email list is really good because there's no algorithms. You own your list. No big social media account can hide your content from your followers. It's your list. You have it, and you can do and email your clients whenever you want. So you're wondering how you can get people on your list? Well, you can use quite a few options. Free shipping is probably the most popular. A free workbook, free templates are really good. A one-on-one session, like a 20-minute free session, a discount voucher, like the list is endless. Free shipping is probably one of the most popular ones. And when they sign up for free shipping, who's not going to want free shipping on their next order? Then they're also on your email list. So then if you're a person who's got products, you can then email them on upcoming products. If you've got Pinterest is really great, especially if you have a digital business. So these little pins you make, they have the links you attach to the pins, usually are the ones to go either to your website, to watch a YouTube tutorial, to get your freebie opt-in. So it's like, for me, it's like a sales banner on Pinterest. So when you send them to your opt-in form to get your freebie, you're joining them onto your email list. But you can also do it a few different ways. So just say on Instagram I shared about, I've got a blog post on branding colours. So I'll say pop on to find out more on branding colours, and then in it I say use free templates available. So as they're reading halfway down, they get the option to click on the link to get the free templates, which then is an opt-in form to join my email list. So I think you get the gist of it anyway. So the whole thing is always to get clients to just take that one more step, because it's actually a really great relationship building technique as well. They get to know more about you and the products you offer. And then when your followers are on your list, it's a much tighter and closer unit, and you can share your information a lot easier without all the clutter of other social media accounts. So I hope that's helped. And yeah, let me know how you